Welcome back to Mr. Burton's class. As we deepen our exploration of decimals, today's spotlight is on an essential skill, dividing decimals. While multiplication builds things up, division helps us distribute and understand quantities at a more nuanced level. Let's get started. So for a second, think about when you share a pizza, split expenses, or calculate the average rate of something. Division is there, often behind the scenes. And with decimals, it's even more ubiquitous. Let's find out how to master dividing decimals. Imagine you have $2.50 and you want to equally split it among 5 friends. How much does each friend get? That's right, we're venturing into dividing decimals. Let's break down this process. As lesson notes, when dividing decimals, first, you should transform the divisor, which is the number you're dividing by, into a whole number by shifting its decimal point to the right. The second thing is, shift the decimal point of the dividend, the number you're dividing, the same number of places to the right. The third, divide as you normally would with whole numbers. And finally, the quotient's decimal point remains directly above its position in the dividend. For guiding question number 1, it says, why do we shift the decimal when dividing decimals? Shifting the decimal transformed the problem into one involving whole numbers, which most find easier to divide. Once we're done, the answer can be converted back to its decimal form, ensuring accuracy. The second guiding question is it possible for the quotient of 2 decimals to be a whole number? Yeah, it is. For example, when you divide 2.5 by 0.5, the quotient is 5, which is a whole number. Understanding the values and relationship of decimals being divided is crucial. Our third guiding question is, what happens if the divisor is already a whole number? If the divisor is a whole number, there's no need to shift any decimals. You can proceed with the division while ensuring the decimal point in the quotient lines up with the dividend. Now, let's get hands-on. If you have 3.6 meters of ribbon and want to cut it into sections of 0.6 meters each, how many sections will you have? Let's tackle this by dividing the decimals as discussed. In conclusion, dividing decimals is like sharing treasures. With each division, you uncover a new piece of the puzzle. Remember the steps, practice regularly, and soon enough, dividing decimals will be as instinctual as sharing that pizza. As we conclude, keep practicing dividing decimals in various scenarios. The more you divide, the clearer the picture becomes. Continue your learning journey and relish every discovery. Thanks for joining Mr. Burton's class. If you enjoyed what you saw, go ahead and leave a like. If you'd like to see more, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and we'll have more videos coming very soon. Take care. Peace.